On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, radio and TV stations around the country will conduct a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. This special test will be similar to the test you hear and see each month and will only last about 3 minutes. After that, regular programming will resume. When you receive the test alert on November 9th, remember, it's just a test. In the meantime, please help me spread the word to your friends, coworkers, and family members that this is just a test. And thanks for your help.